Hello everyone, hope you're fine. In my today's video tutorial, I will tell you how you can enable the LED light blinking on the call and notifications in your device Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. So if in this device, if you want to enable like whenever you receive a call or notification, the LED light will start blinking. You can easily enable this feature by the method as I will show you. Before we move to the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Follow the steps, watch the video till end and you will learn how you can do it. Let's watch the video.